Where does the garbage go? How can we help save our planet? By Melissa Calderon. It's summer and we're headed for the beach. Let's spend the day swimming in Lake Michigan and playing in the sand. Wow, has it been a long day? We should eat some lunch. What happens if we don't clean up our garbage? All the plastic can drift into the water and harm the fish. It will dirty and pollute the water too. Ouch, that sharp metal can cut your feet if it gets left in the sand. Imagine how it can hurt the fish too. Clean up after yourself, put your garbage in a trash can and look for recycling bins. If you see garbage, pick it up, help keep your neighborhood clean. But what happens after?
You, the customer, sorts your garbage into a trash can and a recycle can at home. Two big trucks come and pick them up and take them to a facility. There the magic happens. The trucks dump it all out into large piles on the warehouse floor. Then the garbage and recycling is all sorted. There are both people and machines that help sort it into categories. Cardboard and plastics. And metals. About 22 million pounds of plastic enter the Great Lakes every year, threatening the health of wildlife and the quality of our drinking water.
What can we do?
Switch to alternatives, like instead of plastic straws use paper. Don't drink from bottles and cans, buy a reusable bottle to refill over and over again. When you are at the store, bring your own cloth bags, don't get the plastic bags. And always try and avoid styrofoam. Look for cardboard containers to store your food.
Hey, what does this mean?
Symbol on your clothes and food. It means it was either made from recycled materials or that it can be recycled. Reduce, recycle, reuse.
Together we can help save our planet.